Preview 2. Prepress. The purpose of prepress is to prepare the file artwork before printing process happens, to avoid any misregistration or error during the printing process. This process is important to make sure that files are ready before the actual process. The process in prepress is included with pre-flight and imposition. Pre-flight to make sure that the files are perfect from any error and presented in the correct format. Pre-flight process will be using Adobe Acrobat DC. This software will show instantly the error of the artwork. This process requires a correct save of PDF file, which needs to save in PDFX4, which is that format is support transparency. For imposition, this process is the arrangement of artwork in a sheet of paper in a correct order and to avoid wastage in performing good printing sheet. List of material and equipment used. Material for Measure 1 is 300 GSM. For packaging, equipment used or software to do pre-flight is Adobe Acrobat DC. InDesign for imposition, Adobe Illustrator for design. Material for Measure 2, which is calendar, 300 GSM for calendar, 310 GSM for cover calendar. Equipment or software used is Adobe Acrobat DC, Pre-Flight, Illustrator Imposition, Illustrator for design. Material used for minor is Canvas tote bag, S size, which is Illustrator for design, Adobe Acrobat DC for Pre-Flight. Imposition for Measure 1 offset lithography printing, which is the requirement on the imposition is the color bar, the bend area, and punch area, which is the spec of machine is really important to make sure that the plate is in the correct order. Measure 2 digital printing will be using digital printing process. For minor silkscreen process, which is the minor is silkscreen tote bag, which is the size have been provided by the printing company. The terminology for this preview 2 is student will be able to understand more about the process as the student have learned on theory and try to do the process in software that provided, which is give the opportunity to student experience by itself. Student will explore more on learning from internet and more understand based on the explanation from the lecturer. Thank you.